Hello friends, you are watching Dawn Performance Engineering YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about what is turbocharger and how it is working and what is the basic advantage of turbocharger and where it is used. These four are we going to see about clearly. Okay, turbocharger is a device used to give energy to the engine. Okay, this is 32 turbocharger and this is 52 turbocharger. How I define 32 means the compressor outlet. Okay, that outer diameter have 32 so that is 32 and this is 52 bigger one. Okay, this how defined it. Okay, the turbocharger have consisting turbine and compressor. Okay, the compressor sucks the atmosphere air and give to engine. Okay, these turbocharger have consisting turbine housing, compressor housing and center bearing housing. Okay, first turbine housing for exhaust gas turbine housing, compressor for atmosphere air that will give to engine. Okay, now I am going to explain about turbine housing. This is the turbine housing. Okay, that is coupled with exhaust manifold on engine. This is the port of exhaust gas goes through this housing and rotate the impeller blade, that is turbine blade. Okay, when exhaust gas rotate the turbine blade through this housing with scrolled size chamber. This housing have consist of scrolled chamber. Okay, and this is made up of MS material. Because of this can withstand high amount of temperature and pressure. If you see this housing have highly designed with swirl flow. Okay, that chamber will give swirl flow exhaust system. Now we discuss about compressor section. The other is compressor housing. If you see the compressor wheel spinning to suck the atmosphere from air, okay, atmosphere air from the air filter and compress through centrifugal force to the compressor housing and give to engine. Okay, through inlet manifold. These housings are made up of aluminum casting because of weight reduction, and these housing are only deliver air to the engine that have not too much pressure and not temperature. And center this bearing housing. The shaft turbine housing and compressor housing both are coupled with one shaft. That shaft have connected with bearing middle center. They have give lubrication for the bearing through oil circulation. This is the oil circulation bolt. Okay. Now I am going to explain how various housing, various parts working clearly in engine. But unfortunately engine is not there. I am going to explain through water. Okay. Assume this water tap has an exhaust manifold and water has an exhaust gas. Okay. Just assume and think about it. This is the actual working stage on engine. When exhaust gas goes through this housing, how the turbine spin. Okay, if you see these house consist of scroll chamber, no, that's why the water flow through this spinning chamber. Okay, next, this is the turbine wheel spinning on turbocharger. When assume that water tap is an air filter and the water is an atmospheric air. When atmospheric air suction by this pressure, this is how turbine will spin on engine. Okay. Now the actual working of turbocharger. Assume this water tap has an exhaust manifold and water has an exhaust gas. When exhaust gas goes through this turbine housing and the turbine wheel spinning at the same time compressor wheel also spinning, this how atmosphere air will suction through this inlet and give compressed and give to the engine. Okay, this is how actually working of an turbocharger. You clearly see. Okay, now where it is used. Turbocharger. Turbocharger are widely used in heavy commercial vehicles like diesel engine in cars, trucks, buses. In nowadays, some low commercial vehicles like car, public transport also using turbocharger. In sports purpose, cars also using like turbocharger for horsepower increasing. Okay. Next, what are the advantage of turbocharger in automobiles? Okay. Turbocharger is an air boosting device on automobile engines. Okay. When turbocharger starts boosting, it gives higher amount of air to the intake manifold and engine. Okay. Higher amount of air means what? Means the atmosphere air consists of oxygen also. Higher amount of oxygen in combustion chamber will give higher efficiency of performance. Okay. What is higher efficiency of performance? Means higher amount of oxygen in combustion chamber will burn the full amount of fuel and give how much the RPM increased and how much the horsepower increased at the same time. Just the same, if you fuel completely burned in combustion chamber, it will give high thermal efficiency and low pollution. Okay, this is the advantage of turbocharger. If you like this video, share the video and ask any questions about turbocharger, just text on Facebook.